Ay, sir, ito si Sir Bong, Bernardito Bong. Ay, sir, sino kami deliver contigo, sir? Sino kanya mandaman deliver? Sino kanya mandaman deliver? Sí. Pero sir, dos bilog, sir. Pero uno taki na detrás. Ito ba kayo last time na Palmeras? Ah, ito. Sorry. Ito ka rin ang Palmeras last time, sir. Ah, sir, sorry, olvida lang yun, sir. Sir, aulianan to, sir. Sino yan? India tamin, sir, ulit contigo. Para contigo tamin, sir.
Christian?
Hindi, sir. De Manila, sir. Si.
At the man na tabi
Yeah, ustedes galing kay sir last time, no?
Are the same thing. And then siya, bro.
Sayang lang galit yung limihan.
Sabi mo sila.
Aulian to, sir.
Happy birthday. Drama.
Ah, may package po galing kay, ano, para kay Sir Bong.
Ang sila man, oh.
Sir, happy birthday! Sir, September si Sir Christian, Ma'am Giselle, and Kit, Jake, and Maddie Byong. So, Abeki sir, happy 65th birthday. Wowo Bong.
Thank you.
So, sir, pwede yung kuntiga sir message para ako na sender.
Okay, to Christian, Giselle, and our Princess Maddie, thank you for remembering me on my special day. Thank you for giving me this kind of surprise. So, surprise na surprise talaga po sa birthday kwan minsan yung offering. Thank you so much. So, we love you. I love you. Christian, Giselle, and Madison. Thank you so much.
Nais kong malaman mong ika'y bahagi na ng buhay ko. At kung may huling sasabihin, nais kong isang biting niligyan mo ng kulay ang mundo. Kasama kitang lumuha. Dahil sa'yo ako'y